Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Payoneer account to Etsy. So all you need to do is open your favorite browser and then type in etsy.com, and then you will be redirected to this page. We'll see sign in button here. You press on sign in and enter your sign in credentials. If you don't have an account, you can register. It's very simple. And then you go to your profile, your account, and then press on sell on Etsy. Now you will see welcome your username, and then you can see how you will do this. Then press on let's do this. Press on start your shop. Now you will see shop preference, and then name your shop, and then how you will get paid. We will move to this stage so we can see how you will get paid. Now we are in how we will get paid. We need to scroll down to see the informations of the payment. Now you will see add your bank information, name of the account holder, and bank name and account number, bank code, branch code, and then Swift BIC. All these informations you will find it in your Payoneer account. All you need to do is press on your account. You will see all the details of that account, the bank name, the account number, the bank code, the branch code, and the Swift BIC. After you input all these details, simply press on save and continue, and then you can test the connection of your Payoneer account with your Etsy shop, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.